Welcome to this video, guys. In this video we will learn how to create a plane and how to use that plane to mirror a specific feature in SOLIDWORKS. This is very important and crucial in 3D CAD modeling. So let's begin. Click on part and click OK because we are working in a part file, although we can mirror the same thing in the assembly file. We will see in our upcoming videos. Make sure that you have selected mmgs as units, although you can select inches as well. And here change the background to plain white. This is optional. We have these planes: front plane, top plane, right plane. Don't worry about these plane. You can select any plane and click on sketch. I am selecting the right plane. You can select the top plane or the front plane, no problem at all. And from here select the center rectangle. Click here on the center point, then drag your mouse and make a rectangle like this. After that, press escape button and select this smart dimensioning tool because I want to specify the length and the width of this rectangle. So specify 100 and check this box from here. Now select this line and then click here, type 100, press enter button, and we have specified the length and width. And here you can see it is written fully defined. It means that we have defined all the features of this rectangle and now we can extrude it. So click on this extruded boss base to convert it into a 3D object. Here specify the length of extrusion. So I'm specifying here 12, although you can specify according to your requirement. Now let's apply some color by choosing this option. Go to steel and I am applying this color, although this is an optional step. You can specify any color you like. And after that we are going to make some sketch here. So select this surface and this is the option for the sketch. So click on sketch. After that select a circle at this midpoint. Make a circle like this by using your mouse. And now select smart dimensioning tool and here specify the diameter of this circle, 60 millimeter. After that select here center rectangle and make here a center rectangle like this. Press escape button and now select some smart dimensioning tool. Specify the length of this line. I'm specifying here 25 millimeter. And when I want to specify this length, it says that it's a driven dimension. Why? Because this is attached to this line, which is fully defined in our previous sketch. So we don't need to define this line if it is attached to the previous one. Now select trim entities and trim these internal lines of the circle. And when I trim this line, here you can see the gray sketch, the gray area, which means that this area is now applicable for some extrusion. So go to features and select this extruded boss base to extrude it at some point. Here specify 3 millimeter, although you can specify any dimension you like. Check this box from here and here you can see this feature has been extruded. Now we have two options. First thing is we make the same sketch at the back side. The other thing is be smart and just mirror the same thing on the back side. How to do it? By using this mirror command. We have to define two things here. This is feature to mirror. This is which feature you want to mirror. So I want to mirror this feature at the back side. So what do I have to do for that? I have to make a plane that cut this extrusion at the mid. So let's see. In this window I need to specify that plane. So we have three planes. Front plane, this plane is not fulfilling the criteria because this is cutting on this direction, not in this direction. So let's see if this top plane fulfill our criteria. No, we need a plane that cut this extrusion like this and not this way. So select and delete right plane. Right plane is although in the right direction, but this is not cutting the part in half. When I check this box from here, it creates an error. nothing is at the back. So click on this and select delete. Yes. And now let's learn how to create a plane. Here we have the reference geometry and click here on the plane. Select in this window, if anything by chance is selected, just press and delete. Because in this window I need to select these two surfaces. These two surfaces has been selected, and here you can see the plane that is cutting this right in the half. So that's how you can create a specific plane for a purpose. And now we can mirror the feature easily. So select this mirror command, and in this window, feature to mirror, I want to mirror this feature, and this plane, in this plane we have make a specific plane, this one. So select this plane, and here we have the feature that we want to mirror. So that's how we mirror things. Check this box from here, and we can hide the plane from here. Let's select this plane and hide it, because there is no more use of this plane, although we can unhide it as well. And let's apply some material to it. This is specific, just drag it and place right here, and here tell it that I want this to be applied on the extruded boss too. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.